Students, welcome to Unit 13. This week we're going to focus on case studies and successful brands, both large and small. We are going to compare brand goals and practices, their innovative strategies, also have an overview of the fundamentals of several brands, as well as challenge, approach, and outcomes. We're also going to do a compare and contrast two separate case studies that you find in your text. So the instructions are here. You first want to read in your textbook pages 210 to 308. That's the latest version, the latest edition. You're going to look at a couple of the video links that I provided. What better than to review an Uber case study? Uber is just all over the place right now with some of their partnership discussions with the driverless cars and customized restaurant delivery from anywhere, sort of like Uber being your futuristic personal assistant, so to speak. So read about the Uber case study that I've given you. Also, Livestrong, that's from a designer AIGA perspective. So there's a lot of different things that you want to consider when you're reading about those case studies. The requirements for this week is to choose two brands from your text, and then I will update the pages here. I noticed they're off from over here just because this is the older version. Read the pages, and then you want to review their practices, and then you want to use an outline: 1, challenge; 2, approach; and 3, outcome. Describe, compare, and contrast the tactics involved and best practices for each of your brands as it's reviewed in the textbook. There's no forum this week, but the questions you want to ask when you're doing your case studies that you've chosen for the two different brands are: what strategies do they use that are unique, that make them successful? What event did they overcome? What solution do they have to that? And then what was the outcome of their solution? So go ahead and review these links, read the text, and then make sure that you're posting your response to those questions for the case studies here in the submission link. Have a very successful week, and I'll see you in the next virtual video.